Just by sending some people to this particular website, you could be making some very good, awesome online income, and that is you will be paid per click. You can do this again and again and make a ton of money out of it, which will be paid absolutely and directly into your PayPal account. And you know that everyone loves PayPal because it works worldwide and you get paid almost in every country of the world. So definitely just let's jump into the content. But before we jump into our awesome video, just smash the like button so that you will get 100 years of good luck and so that you can become a millionaire overnight, and also smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you, so that you can make good online income and because so that you can jump out of your 9 to 5. Let's jump into the content. 20 cents just by sending some clicks to this particular website. This is really awesome, and many of the people are making a lot of money just by utilizing this very simple website. And the thing is that all you need to do is send someone to this website, and if they click your link of this website, then you are gonna pay 20 cents for every person you send to this website. And definitely you can become a millionaire overnight if you start working on this website, and that's absolutely true if you can believe it. Okay, and this is something which is the best one because I really like this website, and it pays you so much money just for doing nominal work, and that is something which is not being provided by any other website. Many people are utilizing this website, but they are not willing to tell you about this website because they want to make all the money for themselves. But I am here to share with you all and everything which I am having, all the knowledge with you, so that you can make all the money online, because I was one who was stuck into a 9 to 5 job before and I wanted to jump out of it, and with the internet marketing I was able to do that. And that's something which I want to also tell you. You can also start working online, do this kind of stuff, and really jump out of your 9 to 5 job and really make some good decent income online. Now let's jump into this content. You can see it's paying 20 cents for every click. Okay, and you can just create your account over here, or you can just log in if you really want to log in. Okay, so if you have already an account created, you can log in, and if you don't have, then you can just press on this create account button, and you just need to provide all the information. Okay, so you can see over here that get paid for every click. We will pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. Just by sending a visitor to this website, you are going to earn this kind of money, and that's something which is really awesome. Okay, and not anyone is doing that. I just want you to do the first step, and that is just join this program. Okay, get your affiliate link. That's the easiest thing which you can do. Okay, and just jump into this and start working on that. Now where are you going to get the traffic? Now there are so many platforms like facebook.com. You can go to this facebook.com, create a post like this is the new search engine which I just found out, and it works great. If you want to try it out, just check out, the link is here. Okay, that's the post which you need to make on your Facebook, and if someone just watches your post, clicks on the link, and you earn 20 cents. Boom, that's the easiest thing which any one of you, almost everybody, if you are a student, you can definitely do this and start earning some good income online. Okay, I'm not gonna say that you are gonna get rich overnight with this, but still you can make a decent amount of money, and that is something which you really need, because if you don't want money, then why you are watching this video? Okay, that's something which you need to understand, and that is something which is really awesome. Just start working on this website. This can really make you some good money, and if you are a beginner who have never made a dime online, then this is one of the best website for you. You can see that you have here all the information is given that what I need to become an affiliate, or how much will I learn, or how much will, or when I will be paid. All the information is given over here. Okay, so don't get confused, everything is given. Just press on this create account button, take action. Okay, I don't know, my internet connection is not working for now, but you can just click on this create account button, create an account, provide all your information, name, and all the stuff which generally all the websites ask, and you can just start earning some good income online doing this very nominal work of just sending some people to this website. Definitely try it out and just take action on this strategy. Okay, because 95% of the people now take action on this type of strategies, and that's the reason why they never make a dime online. But you can be the one who will be taking the action, and you can make all this money online very easily, very simply, and start earning online. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.